Bulaga, di ba? There's our favorite quote from Clay Shirky. Okay? He says, okay, when a technology gets boring, and who's excited about a cell phone nowadays? Boring na. Who's excited about a computer this big nowadays? Boring na rin na? Yeah? When a technology becomes boring, it is when it gets to be socially interesting. So we are at that stage. The PC is technologically boring. But it can now become, because it's so cheap, when you have new form factors, okay, and new content, it can now be made socially interesting. So the key word is social. Socially interesting. Social. Okay. Siguro ng January, I was teaching yung disc cloud, yung popular ito. How to use yung tinatawag na flow na content management system. So, ginawa ni ng Lenny sa kanila dyan. Lenny, tama ba? Lenny, yung mga estudyante nyo ang nag-input ng quiz. So, yung mga estudyante na ang nag-input ng quiz. At saka, gawa ng system para po sa election ng student government using Flow. Okay. So I don't know if anyone introduced you to Flow in the past several weeks. PLONE. Wala, ha? So yan yung contribution to. Okay. I will teach you how to use Flow, and I will teach you how to have a lot of fun using Flow for classroom purposes. Okay? So, kung yung mga bata na nagka-college ngayon, first year college, and nag-gets nila, so siguro naman, there's no reason why, okay, kayo hindi mo mag-gets. Okay?
Kamusta kayo dyan sa ating lugar? Ako si Bulgar Espinosa, nandito ako ngayon sa Santa Rosa, Laguna at nais kong basahin yung artikulo sa pamayagan ng January 2 sa Enquirer at solicitation ng SOP kay Engineer Romaso, Engineer Rapin at aking babasahin para
pinayabang ko na yung Engineer Rapin. Noong January 2, Enquirer, nandun yung edukas. Hindi na pinagin. Masyadong humble yun. Kaya, akala mo, gaganon-ganon lang. Okay? So, natawa kayo. Totoo ka? Anyway, si Engineer Olaso, minsan magsisleep ako po, tatawagin ko siyang dad. Kasi parang tatay ko siya. Engineer Olaso, parang what he's trying to do is to get you guys to see, okay, the future. Because I shared a lot of what I have with him already. He gets it. Okay, ang strength niya is yung community building. Yung networking. Hindi yung strength ko eh. Zero ko yun eh. Mahina ako yun eh. Umuwan ako eh. Okay? So, the vision is, of EduCast is, okay, here's passive. Okay? May maayos na facilities, cooperative yung DepEd, yung principal, yung division office, etc. etc. Posible yung kinukwento sa akin ng video. Posible yan sa passive. And then may relationship siya with the congressman, the parish priest, etc. etc. So lahat ng stakeholders, wala yung social networking. Diba? Otherwise, iwan ng tata. In fact, I will tell you again, yung 16 na high school namin dun sa Pagadian, sa Buanga Sur, mas maganda pa yung computer facilities at media center kaysa sa Cotabato, sa Lasal, sa Xavier. Kahit anong high school dito sa Pagadian. So we're not speaking from out of the blue sky na hindi posible. Nangyayari na ito. Ang kailangan na is to get more of you, okay, to embrace the same vision and, okay, deliver to your audience. Who is your audience? Your kids, your students. Diba? Now, for the first 15 years of the internet, ito tinatawag na Web 1. Alam niyo ba yung Web 2.0? Hindi pa na ba ito Web 2.0? So, kung hindi nyo alam yung Web 2.0, hindi nyo rin alam yung Web 3.0. At hindi nyo rin alam yung Web Squared. Ito sabihin ko sa inyo, nag-uumpisa na yung Web Squared. So, kailangan tayo bumalik sa 3, kailangan nyo maintindihan yung 2, at saka yung 1. So, marami tayo hanggang. But going back to EduCast, passive is really unique. And let me tell you, this is the connecting the dots backward. Okay. Yung 30,000 Supreme Court rulings noong 1992, yung ginawa ko, kulangan nyo sa kung ginawa nyo. Tama, thank you. Saan ko ginawa nyo? Yung 30,000, saan yung opisina ko nyo? Saan? Sa National Library? Sa bahay, saan yung bahay ko? Ha? Diyan sa East Capitol Drive. Sa Barrio Capitol. So that evolution for the legal system in the Philippines started in Pasig. Now I don't know, it's up to you guys whether the revolution for Philippine public sector education will also start in Pasig. Okay? So with that, I'd like to thank you all for bearing with me. This is not even 2% of what I want to share with you guys, but we only have now. Okay? But that's not important because if we get into these projects together, you can have all the videos that you want. Namamagana yung mga nyo sa kapapanood. But the more important thing is we have a relationship, a working relationship with EduCast, myself, Bong, Capitolio High School, the congressman, and the president and the deputy. Pwede ba? Kaya ba natin yan? Okay? So with that, maraming salamat sa inyo mga. Have a good evening.
Question.
Yes. Yung cloning yung pelikula ni Jibay.